Hey y'all, what's up? I'm using this blue hair paint wax on my wash and go. It is a temporary water-based hair color which does wash out. The consistency is thick and creamy, and in my opinion it smells like cologne. I purchased this for $6.99 from the hair paint wax website, which I will include in my description box below. Now before applying this product to damp hair, I did use Mielle Moisture RX leave-in conditioner.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head.
So the top section of my hair had got a little bit too dry, so all I'm doing is spraying a little water on it.
Perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face. I stood and wait because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated. It's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa.
Alright, so let's talk about this hair paint wax that I stepped outside of my comfort zone to try. I absolutely love it. The color is very vibrant. Let me just show you the color up close. And y'all, this is day 5 of me having this color in my hair, so I'm very pleased that it's actually lasting really long. And it's not faded a lot. When I touch my hair, there's a little bit of transfer on my hand. Probably won't be able to see it on camera. My shirt, a tiny bit of blue transfer here from when I had my hair kind of sitting like this. Overall, I love this color. I love how vibrant it is. I love that it's lasted this long, and it could last even longer, but I do have to wash my hair. I hope I covered everything, but if I didn't, leave your questions below in the comment section. Let me know if you've used this product before. What was your experience with it? Peace out.